Insert the power cord and turn on the machine. Click on Settings. Turn on the Wi-Fi and check the IP address. Open the software. Click on Devices. Click Create Manually Select GRBL. Select Ethernet TCP and click Next. Enter the IP address displayed on the machine. Enter the machine name. Set the engraving size. The setup is now complete. Select the configured machine in the lower right corner. The machine screen displays Mobile Connection Control in progress. Place the item to be engraved. Adjust the focal length of the laser module. Open the software. Drag the engraving image into the engraving area. Set the size of the image. Select the image, right-click and click Trace Image. Select the traced image and delete the original image. Set the engraving parameters. Select the image and move it to an appropriate engraving position. Click on Frame to view the engraving area. Click Start and the laser module begins to engrave.